Welcome, dear viewers, to the fascinating world of the fiddlehead fern. This curious plant, with its tightly wound spiral, holds secrets waiting to be unfurled. Join me as we explore its origins, health benefits, and a recipe to tantalize your taste buds. Stay tuned for a delightful surprise as we venture deeper into the realm of the fiddlehead fern. The fiddlehead fern, a marvel of nature's artistry. Its very form, a tightly coiled spiral resembling the scroll of a violin, hints at the elegance it brings to the culinary world. Also known as the ostrich fern, its scientific name, Matutia struthiopteris, further adds to its air of mystery. This unique shape, you see, is no accident. It is a testament to the fern's remarkable growth strategy, a slow and deliberate unfurling that has captivated foragers and botanists for centuries. Imagine, if you will, a woodland floor carpeted in these emerald spirals, each one a promise of the culinary delights to come. The fiddlehead fern, unlike its more mature counterparts, boasts a tender texture and a delicate flavor that has graced tables from the humblest homesteads to the most discerning restaurants. Its appeal lies not just in its taste, but also in its versatility, lending itself to a variety of culinary creations. Our journey takes us deeper into the forest, to the fiddlehead fern's preferred abode. Picture, if you will, a dappled, sunlit glen where moist soil and cool shade provide the perfect sanctuary for these verdant treasures. Unlike many plants that thrive in open fields and bask in the full embrace of the sun, the fiddlehead fern seeks solace in the gentle embrace of the forest canopy. Here, amidst the towering trees and the soft rustling of leaves, the fiddlehead fern flourishes. It is a denizen of damp woodlands, often found near streams and rivers, where the air is heavy with moisture and the ground is rich with nutrients. This preference for moist environments is essential to its growth, for it is from these damp soils that the fiddlehead fern draws the sustenance it needs to unfurl its delicate fronds. But when, you may ask, is the optimal time to harvest these forest delicacies? The answer, my friends, lies in understanding the subtle cues of nature. The fiddlehead fern, like all living things, has a rhythm to its growth, a fleeting window when its flavors are at their peak. It is in early spring, as the last vestiges of winter's chill give way to the promise of warmer days, that the fiddlehead fern emerges from its slumber. Look closely, and you'll see them pushing through the damp earth, their tightly coiled heads a vibrant green beacon against the muted hues of the forest floor. This is the moment when the fiddleheads are firm and tightly furled, that they are at their most tender and flavorful. Wait too long and the fronds will unfurl, their texture becoming tough and their taste less delicate. As we've explored the fiddlehead fern's preferred habitat and learned to identify the perfect moment for harvest, let's take a closer look at its appearance. The color of a fiddlehead fern is a key indicator of its freshness and readiness for consumption. A healthy, ripe fiddlehead typically boasts a vibrant, almost luminous green hue, reminiscent of the first buds of spring. This verdant coloration is a testament to the chlorophyll coursing through the fern's delicate fronds, a sign of its vitality and nutritional richness. While the vast majority of fiddleheads display this classic green, nature, in its infinite creativity, occasionally graces us with subtle variations. Now, I pose a question to you, dear viewers, a culinary conundrum to ponder as we journey further into the world of the fiddlehead fern. Imagine, if you will, a world where your culinary choices were limited to a single vegetable. A world where your plate, day after day, could only be graced by the presence of one botanical companion. Would the fiddlehead fern, with its intriguing shape, unique texture, and delicate flavor, be your chosen culinary companion? What is it about this woodland delicacy that speaks to your palate, that sets it apart from the vast and varied world of edible plants? Perhaps it's the subtle nuttiness that emerges when sautéed to perfection, or maybe it's the satisfying crunch it lends to salads and stir-fries. The fiddlehead fern's allure extends far beyond its culinary appeal. For centuries, this unassuming plant has been revered for its remarkable health benefits, a testament to nature's profound ability to nourish and heal. Hidden within its delicate fronds lies a treasure trove of vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals, each playing a crucial role in supporting our overall well-being. One of the fiddlehead fern's most notable attributes is its high concentration of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that combat free radicals, protecting our cells from damage and promoting longevity. These antioxidants, coupled with an array of vitamins like A and C, contribute to healthy, radiant skin, promoting a youthful glow that radiates from within. But the fiddlehead fern's benefits extend far beyond its beautifying properties. Its impressive nutrient profile makes it a valuable ally in supporting brain health, organ function, and overall disease prevention. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, those essential building blocks of a healthy nervous system, the fiddlehead fern contributes to optimal cognitive function, enhancing memory, focus, and mental clarity. Furthermore, its high potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, promoting cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of stroke. And let's not forget the fiber, a crucial component of a healthy digestive system, aiding in regularity and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Now let's translate our newfound knowledge into a culinary creation that is as simple as it is delicious. Sautéed fiddlehead ferns with garlic and lemon, a dish that captures the essence of spring in every bite. Begin by gently cleaning your freshly harvested fiddleheads, removing any brown scales and ensuring they are free of debris. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a pan over medium heat, and as the oil shimmers, add minced garlic, allowing its aroma to perfume the air. Now, introduce the star of the show, the fiddlehead ferns, and sauté them gently, tossing occasionally until they turn a vibrant green and their texture softens slightly. My own fascination with the fiddlehead fern began in childhood, sparked by a memorable foraging expedition with my grandfather. I can still recall the crisp spring air, the damp earth beneath our feet, and the thrill of discovering these tightly coiled treasures hidden amongst the undergrowth. My grandfather, a man deeply connected to the rhythms of nature, taught me the art of identifying and harvesting fiddleheads, sharing his knowledge with a twinkle in his eye. We spent the afternoon gathering these woodland delicacies, our baskets slowly filling with the promise of a delicious meal. Later that evening, as the aroma of sautéed fiddleheads with garlic and lemon filled my grandmother's kitchen, I realized that food could be more than sustenance. It could be a connection to the past, a celebration of nature's bounty, and a source of cherished memories. As we wrap up our journey with the fiddlehead fern, let's celebrate its many virtues. Fiddleheads are rich in omega-3s, vitamin C, iron, and potassium. Great for heart, brain, and immune health. They're easy to cook, low in calories, and add unique flavor and crunch to countless dishes. Enjoy them fresh or pickled. Fiddleheads truly are a woodland treasure. As we bid farewell to the enchanting world of the fiddlehead fern, I encourage you to embrace the spirit of culinary adventure and explore the bounty that nature provides. If this journey into the heart of the forest has sparked your curiosity, give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And for those eager to delve deeper into the realm of food as medicine, consider subscribing to the channel for more exciting discoveries. Until next time, stay healthy and happy, and may your culinary adventures be filled with the joy of discovery. Take care now, and happy foraging.